Hello everybody, my name is Kalash from HackProKP, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can create your own Kali Linux image for your Raspberry Pi 5. I have made it easier for you guys by creating a bash script that is going to ask you some questions about your image and then create your image in some time. Now I'm saying some time, but this is going to take a lot of time, like around 2 to 3 hours. So please be patient and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you're able to see the specs that are required for this project. Please make sure that your virtual machine or your physical machine has more than 8 GB of RAM and plenty of storage. SSDs will make the process a lot faster, but hard drives will also work. The only thing that you need to do is just copy the commands from the video description and then run it on your terminal. But I highly recommend you checking out the code before running it on your computer. For that, I'm going to leave my GitHub repository link as well. After some time, when the download is completed, the script is going to ask you some questions. Just follow the video if you don't know what to choose. Select ARM64, that is option 1. I'm going to choose 2 because my personal preference is GNOME desktop environment. You can select any other desktop environment according to your likings. And after this, you need to sit down and wait. Just make sure that the power management policies for your virtual machine and your computer are set to never sleep. If you're wondering if this is going to work on your Kali Linux machine, then the answer is yes, this is going to run on that as well. When the script successfully runs, you will be able to see your image in the images directory. After this, the steps are similar. You can use any flashing software to flash the image on your preferred storage device. I will recommend you to use a USB pen drive over a microSD card because it is a lot faster on the Raspberry Pi 5. Now I'm going to show you my Raspberry Pi 5 hacking setup. If you want to know more and learn ethical hacking, then subscribe to my channel for free. So without any further ado, let's see the results.